Okay, so in the next row down, so here's our 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, and it ends up being equal to 35.
Yeah.
Okay, in this row, down below it, we have 1, 4, 10, 20, 35. So we have 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 plus 3 plus 6 is 10, 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 is 20, 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus 15 is 35. That's what we're trying to understand.
Maybe we can.
And here's our 35 cubes. But what would be maybe an easier one to understand first?
How about that 1 plus 3 one?
Okay. All right. So why don't you get two more colors of snap cubes? Actually, I guess you're gonna have to have 3 more colors of snap cubes.
Let's see. How many of each?
1, 3, 1 of one, 3 of one, and 4 of another one.
All right. Just from 3. There's 3. We're not using whiteboard weight shoes. That's okay.
Yeah. All right. So there's 1 and 3.
And then we have 4 with black.
Okay. So let's scoot more kind of into the middle. So how can we show that 1 plus 3 is 4? Is there a shape we can make with the 1
1
and 3?
plus 3.
And then equals this.
Okay.
You can make a 2x2 square.
All right. So 4 happens to be a square. What's the next one down?
It's 1 plus 3 plus 6 equals 10.
Is 10 going to be a square?
No.
Okay. So maybe the pattern's not going to continue with the square. So maybe there's another way. What can we do with the 1 and the 3?
1 and the 3 and a 4.
Well, you can replicate the point in the staircase.
What do you mean?
You can replicate the 1, and then you can replicate the 3.
But that's
Yeah.
really not combining them.
Yeah, well, it's sort of. That's combining them into 2 shapes. Now we're trying to figure out if you can combine them into 1 shape. What shape could we make with 4 cubes that also we could think of as being 1 and 3?
Well, you could make
Well, you
a
can
1
make a-
by 3.
You can make a pyramid. 1 and 3. 4.
Oh, interesting. All right, so what's the next one going to be?
So then
That's
you'd have to add 6 underneath. But still, that pattern also doesn't hold.
Okay. It was an interesting idea, you know, and not a bad idea.
Maybe if we keep this, we probably want to keep this shape. I'll just make it equal to that.
All right, yeah. How can we keep that shape? What can we do?
to replicate.
So,
It's a good idea to keep the shapes the same because that's going to help see the pattern. What can I do with this cube and that cube?
well, maybe if we put it here. But then we have this shape to put on.
Yeah, that shape. We gotta put on.
We need to keep it true to the shape. But how can we do that?
Oops. You can do this. Turn it out at the back.
Yeah. What would happen on the next shape then?
Well, the next shape would, you really can't do anything with the next shape.
Yeah. Gotta have an idea for an easy way to put these together.
That you can see is 4 and 1 and 3.
Yeah.
So how could we see this? How could we see these together as 4 and 1 and 3?
We've tried that. We've tried the pyramid.
The pyramid really doesn't work because once you add the next one on,
Yeah, it won't work.
Well, the interesting thing is that the numbers in that diagonal, 1, 4, 10, 20, 35, 56, those are called the pyramid numbers. So your pyramid idea must be some close to right.
What we we could put it on top,
Alright, what would that do?
Expand upward.
and then on the next one we
We can put this.
on top here, and then up here.
Aha!
So not a two-dimensional pyramid, but a three-dimensional pyramid. Should we connect these up?
Well, let's see. We're at 5 minutes already, so why don't I put the camera off and then you can connect them up with the camera off.
Okay.
Alright.